material that you need to make a thermometer, a simple thermometer. So you have to know the apparatus you need it. So if you need a small bottle, if it's smaller, it's okay, it's better. And straw, food coloring, if you have it, thermometer, and this is plasticine for the sealing the bottle. But if you don't have plasticine, it's okay. Okay, so first you fill the water with water. Half of the bottle like this. Yeah. And then you put a small drop of food coloring. This is the very easiest one. Like this. And mix it. And then you make a hole in the cap of the bottle. And you put the straw. Like the thing that you can use to make the hole is better. Like, I forgot what is in English. Like kompas. I mean, dijangkain bahasa. You can use it to make the hole, and then you larger it by using a pencil or something else. It will be okay. And you press the straw into it. Yes. Sedotannya. When you press your straw here, make sure that it's what is this? Vertically. Yeah, I need to cut little bit the straw because it's pressed. Okay, if you see here, there is a little bit water that go upstairs the straw. It's because the capillary actually. If the temperature is the hotter, the water will go upstairs more, and then you can put paper here and draw a scale. The straw is keep moving, so for stabilize the straw, you need to put the plasticine here. Yeah, so why you need plasticine? To stabilize the straw only, immobilize the straw actually. Okay. It's no longer moving. Yeah. No air pressure that like this. Okay. Now is 29 degrees Celsius. Yeah. So this one here, little bit is 29. Then we put the hot water or something else, and we measure the temperature by using thermometer, and you can draw this after the scale after it. Okay, like if you see, the color in the straw can be upstairs and downstairs. Yeah. So here, for example, this is hot water. The temperature is 41. As you can see, yeah, here 41 degrees Celsius. If I put this one, look at that, it increased. The amount of ink is increasing. Yeah, is with I add more. It's actually 29 is the first temperature that I measure. This one is 42. So if I draw it in the piece of paper like this one, okay, sorry, my hand is wet. So this one is 41. And then I add more hot water, so I throw it away, and then I put hot water inside it like this. It's very hot. I suppose that the temperature will be increased more in here. Yeah, this is my thermometer. You can see that it's keep increasing. Yeah, Oh, until it's reached this one. Yeah. And this thermometer is quite good because it can increase and drop very fast. You can see this one, and wow, very good. Yeah. This one is right now is 80 degrees Celsius, but I don't think so that my thermometer can measure the temperature more than 41 degrees Celsius. Yeah, because actually the length of the straw is not enough length in length. Okay, this one 41, this one 26, this one 29, and you can add more. This one 20, 26, 29, 41. You can add more scale to make it better. So the more precious the scale, the better your thermometer. Or you can just use like warm, cold, if you use ice for example, and hot. It's okay if you only have scale like this one. Yeah. Thank you. Let's see how this thermometer works. Sublimation. Udah gak panas lagi sih. Let's see, it's increased little bit, but I will change the water. Ya, udah gak panas lagi, turunnya cepet banget sih. I will put the thermometer inside a very hot water, and you can see, you can observe it that the color substance increase. Yay! And if I put outside the water, suddenly it drop. Yay!